I'm Kate, and today we're going to be discussing how we can leverage Plex to identify and remove bottlenecks within our planning process. By getting outside of our tactical planning horizon and looking at our long-term supply and capacity plans, we can identify bottlenecks and eliminate problems within our manufacturing process before they happen. Here we're looking at our supply plan. Once we've generated our demand plan, we're able to drive that forecast through, consume it against current inventory and open customer orders, bringing in system-calculated safety stocks, and projecting future supply requirements. By being able to see these future supply requirements, we can see where our demand exceeds our ability to supply and where we'll need to invest in future floor space or equipment to meet the demands of our customers. When considering equipment, we can run rough cut capacity plans, loading those suggested supply plans against our machine availability to identify where we will be out of capacity long into the future. In the more near term, Plex finite scheduling can be leveraged to review any short-term bottlenecks. Jobs will be placed in an optimal schedule based on machine availability, tooling, personnel, or material requirements. From here, schedules can be drag and dropped, and scenarios can be run to ensure that your shop floor is running off of the optimal work center schedule. Thank you so much. Hopefully you can now see how Plex will help you eliminate any bottlenecks within your business and allow your plant floor to run smoothly.